Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of copysense AI tutorial series. In this video, we are going to show you how to use copysense AI to generate social media campaign calendar. If you are ready, let's start. Go to AI Writer from the side menu and search for social media campaign calendar. Type your objective. Ours is launch of a new marketing SaaS product, and choose the platform. Change the maximum length according to your request. Choose tone of voice and quality. As the final step, hit the Generate button. You will see the result in seconds. Rate the result, insert into the Smart Editor, and save it to your repository for later use. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Start your free trial with copysense AI today.